Nova Lemkovyna, or New Lemkovyna, is a concept relating to the repopulation of Lemkovyna and Western Bojkovyna by ethnic Rusyns with the intent of achieving autonomy within the state of Poland. Following the Lemko ethnocide of 1947 and the ensuing years known as the Decade of Silence, the Lemko population was dispersed throughout Poland and Ukraine, with only a few thousand returning at the end of the 1950s. To learn more about the Lemko ethnocide, or usually called Akcja Wisła, you can watch my video on the topic. The idea of Nowa Lemkowyna is an important part of the new Rusyn decade, and one of its unique attributes. This plan would involve the repatriation of ethnic Lemkos to their homeland, mandatory Rusyn language schools, and diplomatic or forced takeover of previously Orthodox churches that were converted into Catholic ones after the region's depopulation. The first goal would be in the procurement of funds and the initial settling of a handful of towns. Doing this would involve a dedicated group of intellectuals and businessmen that see it fit for a life's mission. Whether one of those people will be yourself is up to you.